You're probably paying for apps right now that you don't actually need. And if you're like most people in the US, you could be wasting hundreds of dollars every single year without even realizing it. Today, I'm going to show you free alternatives to over 50 paid apps that do the exact same job. Some are even better. If you want to save serious money without sacrificing quality, this video is for you. Welcome back to Tech Vibes, where we help you get smarter with your tech and keep more money in your pocket. Number one, let's start with productivity apps. A lot of people pay for Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, but you can replace all of them with Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. They are completely free. They autosave your work, and you can access them from anywhere. Another powerful option is LibreOffice. It works offline and feels very similar to Microsoft Office. Number two, for note-taking apps, people pay for Evernote. But you can use Notion or Google Keep for free. Notion is especially powerful. You can organize your life, your work, your goals, everything in one place, and it looks clean and modern. Number three, let's talk about video editing. Many people pay for Adobe Premiere Pro, but you can use DaVinci Resolve for free. It's used by professionals and has advanced editing tools. Another option is CapCut. It's beginner-friendly and perfect for quick edits. Number four, for photo editing, instead of paying for Photoshop, you can use Photopea. It works directly in your browser and looks almost identical to Photoshop. Another great option is GIMP. It's powerful and completely free. Number five, if you're paying for Canva Pro, the free version of Canva is already very powerful. But you can also try Adobe Express for free designs, thumbnails, and social media posts. Number six, for cloud storage, people pay for Google Drive upgrades or Dropbox. But you can combine free storage from Google Drive, OneDrive, and Mega to get more space without paying anything. Number seven, for password managers, instead of paying for premium tools, you can use Bitwarden. It's free, secure, and works across all devices. Number eight, for VPN services, many people pay monthly subscriptions. But you can use Proton VPN free plan. It's one of the most trusted free VPNs with no data limits. Number nine, for music streaming, instead of paying for Spotify Premium, you can use Spotify free version with ads. Or try YouTube Music free version. You still get access to millions of songs. Number 10. For video streaming, instead of paying for cable TV, you can use free platforms like Pluto TV, Tubi, and Freevee. These are legal and offer tons of movies and shows. Number 11. For screen recording, instead of paying for tools like Camtasia, you can use OBS Studio. It's free and widely used by professionals. Number 12. For PDF editing, instead of paying for Adobe Acrobat, you can use Small PDF or I Love PDF. These tools let you edit, convert, and compress PDFs for free. Number 13. For email marketing tools, instead of paying for MailChimp premium plans, you can use MailerLite free plan. It's simple and great for beginners. Number 14. For project management, instead of paying for tools like Asana or Trello Premium, you can use their free versions. Or try ClickUp free plan, which is very powerful. Number 15. For antivirus software, instead of paying for expensive security suites, you can use Windows Defender. It's already built into Windows and does a great job. Another option is Avast free antivirus. Number 16. For file transfer, instead of paid tools, use WeTransfer. You can send large files easily for free. Number 17. For communication tools, instead of paying for Slack Premium, you can use Discord. It's free and works great for teams and communities. Number 18. For website building, instead of paying for expensive platforms, you can use WordPress free version or Wix free plan to get started. Number 19. For learning platforms, instead of paying for expensive courses, use YouTube, Coursera free courses, and Khan Academy. Number 20. For task management, instead of paid apps, use Todoist free version or Microsoft To Do. Number 21. For calendar apps, Google Calendar is completely free and powerful. Number 22. For budgeting apps, instead of paid tools, use Mint or Pocket Guard free versions. Number 23. For screen sharing, instead of paid Zoom plans, use Zoom free version or Google Meet. Number 24. For file compression, use 7-Zip instead of paid tools. Number 25. For coding editors, instead of paid IDEs, use Visual Studio Code. Number 26. For online meetings, instead of expensive tools, use Microsoft Teams free version. Number 27. For writing tools, instead of Grammarly Premium, use Grammarly free version or Hemingway Editor. Number 28. For stock images, instead of paid sites, use Unsplash and Pexels. Number 29. For stock videos, use Pexels Videos and Pixabay. Number 30. For design tools, use Figma free version instead of paid design software. Number 31. For screen capture, use ShareX instead of paid tools. Number 32. For podcast editing, use Audacity instead of paid software. Number 33. For subtitles, use Capwing free version. Number 34. For browser extensions, use free tools like uBlock Origin for ad blocking. Number 35. For reading PDFs, use Foxit Reader free version. Number 36. For team collaboration, use Notion instead of paid workspace tools. Number 37. For remote access, use Chrome Remote Desktop. Number 38. For data backup, use free Cloud Sync tools. Number 39. For automation, use Zapier free plan. Number 40. For time tracking, use Clockify free version. Number 41. For habit tracking, use free apps like Habitica. Number 42. For file syncing, use SyncThing. Number 43. For online forms, use Google Forms instead of paid tools. Number 44. For mind mapping, use Xmind free version. Number 45. For diagram tools, use Draw.io. Number 46. For bookmarks, use Raindrop free version. Number 47. For RSS feeds, use Feedly free version. Number 48. For translation, use Google Translate instead of paid apps. Number 49. For voice typing, use built-in tools in Google Docs. Number 50. For basic video calls, use WhatsApp or Messenger. And here's a bonus tip that most people don't know. Many paid apps offer free trials that you can use strategically. Sign up, use the features, cancel before billing, and rotate between tools. This way, you get premium features without paying. The biggest mistake people make is assuming paid always means better. In 2026, that's just not true anymore. Free tools are powerful, reliable, and constantly improving. So before you spend money on any app, ask yourself, is there a free version that does the same thing? Most of the time, the answer is yes. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video so more people can save money. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more smart tech tips. And comment below which app you're currently paying for. I might show you a free alternative in the next video that does the same thing. Most of the time, the answer is yes. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video so more people can save money. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more smart tech tips. And comment below which app you're currently paying for. I might show you a free alternative in the next video